In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Internet Download Manager with the Brave browser. By the end, your download should hook into IDM automatically, giving you faster speeds and better reliability. First, make sure Internet Download Manager itself is up to date. This matters because the browser integration module is updated frequently to stay compatible with Brave's latest changes. In IDM, use the built-in update option to check and install the newest version. Once that's done, leave IDM running in the background. Now open Brave. In the address bar, type brave/extensions and press Enter. This opens the extensions page where we'll add IDM's integration module. At the top right, turn on developer mode. This temporary switch lets you install the extension from a local file for us, which is exactly what we need. Next, locate the file named idmgcext.crx on your computer. This comes with IDM and is usually stored in its installation folder. On Windows, that's commonly inside Program Files or Program Files, x86, under Internet Download Manager. If you installed IDM in a custom location, open that folder instead. Keep this window handy because we'll drag the file from here into Brave. With the extensions page still open and developer mode enabled, click and drag the idmgcext.crx file from its folder and drop it onto the Brave window. Brave will show a prompt asking if you want to add the IDM integration module. Click Add Extension to confirm. This installs the connector that lets Brave pass downloads to IDM. After installation, find the IDM integration module on the extensions page and click Details. Make sure the extension is enabled. While you're here, consider turning on or allow access to file URLs and allow access to all URLs if you need IDM to capture downloads from local files or across every site you visit. These options expand where the extension can operate and help IDM detect more download links. If you prefer stricter control, you can leave them off and enable them later if something isn't being captured. At this point, you're set. Try visiting a page with a downloadable file and you should see IDM take over. If Brave doesn't hand off immediately, a quick browser restart can help. Also ensure IDM is running in the background. The extension depends on the desktop app to manage downloads. That's it. You've updated IDM, enabled developer mode in Brave, added the IDM integration module via the CRX file, and adjusted the key permission settings so downloads are captured reliably. Enjoy faster, more consistent downloads with IDM inside Brave.